Hi everyone, welcome to the new Macramé tutorial. Let's make such a handbag for the phone. Please support me by subscribing, liking and commenting. Thank you! Well, let's get started. I used 44 meters of waxed cord with a diameter of 2 millimeters. Prepare 12 ropes of 3.5 meters each. All ropes I fold in half and hang on the hook. Tie any rope in the center. Looking for more beautiful macrame projects? Join the Macramé Tutorials Club and get access to exclusive full-length video tutorials with voice guidance and unique designs I don't share anywhere else. You'll find step-by-step lessons for a macrame teepee, a hanging chair, a guitar holder, and more beautiful pieces coming soon, like a boho bandana, a lace tote bag and a beaded belt. And that's not all, many more unique designs and creative projects are on the way. It's the best way to keep learning, stay inspired and support my work. Click join to start creating with me today. Start from any side. Divide the 12 ropes into 3 equal groups of 4 ropes each. Weave a 3-strand braid. I correct all the ropes to make the braid flat, but it's not necessary. I made a length of 52 centimeters and tied the braid at the end. I turn the weave over, remove this rope and make a braid in the other direction from the center. The length is the same. The total length of the braid is about 105 centimeters. At the end of the braid I make a wrapping. For this I need a 70 centimeters long rope. Repeat the same on the other side. Divide the ropes into 3 groups of 4 pieces. From 2 pairs of ropes, make a snake knot. I made a knot at a distance of 5.5 cm from the wrapping. Under this knot, I make another snake knot. In this way, make 2 more pairs of snake knots at the same distance. Repeat on the other side. Connect the 2 halves with the pairs of snake knots. I made knots at a distance of 2 cm. Continue weaving this row. Done, we have connected the weave in a circle. Next, I continue to weave rows of paired knots in a staggered order. I have a total of 7 rows. Try on the phone and, if necessary, add or remove rows. I will leave it like this. The total length of weaving 17 centimeters. At the bottom I connect all the ropes. I take 4 pairs of ropes and weave a snake knot. I make 3 big knots. I add 2 more knots to each of them. I cut the ropes to a length of 25 centimeters. I decorate the ends with capuchin knots. The total length of the fringe is 12 centimeters. It's done. I cut the ends. This is the phone bag we got. Congratulations!